What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to look at this wireless transmitter. As you can see, now they did send me this to do an unboxing off and look to try it out to show you guys how it works. So I'm just gonna show you guys what's coming inside the package, how it works and how it's set up so you can connect it to your car and to have it up and running. These are the things that come inside the package. So we have the transmitter right here, and this is how it looks. Now I did do the unboxing of this already just to test it out so I can know exactly how this thing works. Now what I have realized with this transmitter right here, the features that this basically has is that it has a hands-free call. So if you get a call on your mobile phone, you can answer it right here. Also it have a charging port right here. Now this charging port can use for USB as well, and we have the AUX port right here which is gonna plug into your system inside your car for the transfer of the audio signal. Also this have a voltage detection, so we have a light strip right here which detect if your battery need charging, and also we have the treble and bass equalizer right here. Also we have the cigarette lighter part right here which can plug into your car, and also this allows you to have access to more ports such as USB and USB-C for charging as well inside your car. Also right here we have the mount which can mount it on your ear vent. We have a fuse right here, so if your fuse might happen to blow, we have an extra one right here inside the package. We have the AUX cable which gonna input into your car. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it right now, and let's go. So to hold this up right now guys, we're gonna plug this part into our cigarette lighter slot inside our car. Then you can see right there guys that this part right here is plugged into my cigarette lighter. I also put the mount on the back right here. Now you're gonna find a suitable place inside your car to mount this, so I'm gonna mount it right there in the vent. So we have a thing right here which can slide onto somewhere right here inside the car, just like so. Now once you mount that up like so guys, now after it has mounted, it looks something like this. Now what we need now is our AUX cable which can plug right here into my deck. So now guys, as you can see, I have hooked up right there to my radio. Now ensure that your radio is in AV mode, which is AV card in right there, plug into your AV system, and you know everything is hooked up. Now there are two ways in which you can connect this. You can connect this to your mobile phone, or you can connect this to your radio. Now first I'm going to show you guys how to connect this to your radio. Now this acts as a booster, I should say. For example, you can boost like your bass, your treble, and those things right here, and you can use to answer call. You can also use to skip music. And this right here indication which shows you whenever your car battery is dying and something like that. Also show a signal up here which will display something that is great. So this is one of the main features of this right here. So I'm going to connect it now to my radio and to show you guys. But first I'm going to use my Bluetooth to connect it up and my mobile device and show you guys. Now guys, to connect this to your mobile phone, all you have to do is go into Bluetooth settings and find the app, and once it hook up right there, you can go into any of your music player and start playing music onto this right here, which is gonna transfer right into the radio, and you can control like the trebles, the bass onto your system right there. You can also use it to skip song, which is really great. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to connect it up to your radio for it to boost the radio. So you want to go on your radio, so I'm gonna go on home right now. So you're gonna find your radio on your deck, on your device. So this is my radio right here. So I'm gonna find a station. Let's say you want to find an empty station that is not on any frequency. So for example, we have a station right here which is on 0 point dot. So we're gonna go to my device right here. I'm gonna click on the channel to ensure that it's on radio. So I'm gonna find the exact station. So for example, you can use this to tune it. What you want to do is to go on the channel. So you can see right there I have the same exact channel as what's on my radio, so we can use these function to like boost it and so forth. But the thing though, I realized that this cannot use to skip the radio station. So still you can use the function such as on free calling. You can use this to switch and toggle between different modes as well, and use it to like play and pause this button right here. Alright guys, so another thing that I need to feature right here is the USB connection. Now this can also play USB as well, But for this USB to work, ensure that you're on the radio. Now once you're on the radio, you're gonna hook up your USB inside the bottom right here. So let me just install that quickly. As you can see guys, my USB hooked up right there. Now for the USB to work as well, you're gonna find an empty station on your radio as well, and once you connect your USB, it will automatically detects and start to play. And you can use your control right here to skip and pause and do something like that. Now this device working handy, so if you have a deck that don't have any USB, it will work great for just a backed up system that can use for this USB signal which input into your radio right here, which is great. And this is it. This is just my little review of this product right here. It's a great product if you want a neat little system that can boost your audio signal from your radio to make it sound a bit better, right? So this is one of the choice. So it's like a mini equalizer, I should say. This little product right here, nothing too crazy, just used to connect it to my radio, connect it to my phone, get that heavy bass, that nice treble, and this is it. This is basically how it works. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys find this video very helpful.